fine. So guys, if you like my video, you have to share, like, comment and subscribe to my channel Safa Marwa Twins. Thank you. Hello friends, how are you? Are you fine? So friends, today I'm gonna show you that how to clean our fridge. Okay, my fridge is too dirty. Look, it's too dirty. Now, first of all, you have to get this. First of all, you have to get 3 paper towels, if your parents allow you. You can use one only, and a bowl full of water, and this is the dish soap, the dishwasher, and we have to first squeeze it well. Now just gonna dip it and squeeze it. Now just clean this up. It's too hard.
मेरा बंद करो, अब बंद करो। मैं जल्दी से कर लेती हूँ। कैसे करना है?
So I'm just putting it. So it's just right now. Split out. Oh, now it's 100 minutes. Go ahead. Take it out. So now we have to take out the part. Okay. Get out the box over here. Just put it in there. Okay. Now first we have to do this. We go this side. Okay, then you should go. So it's done. Now we have to. So now I have to just finish it off with one shot. This part. Okay. So now I'm gonna wash this up. Now I'm gonna rinse it.